Hello, viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can add suits for our WebDriver IO framework. For that, guys, just open the test here. We have the specs. So what I'll do here, I'll just add new folder inside specs, and I can name it as mobile, and one more folder, desktop, and one more folder. Let's take tablet. I want to run the test in different suites. Okay. If you remember last time, we would have added one test, responsive test.js file. This was the entire folder. What I'll do, I'll copy this file. I'll paste under responsive test.ts. Here also I'll paste it. Here also I'll paste it. Let's say I want to run the desktop view. I can remove the other views, which is iPad and iPhone. So I want to remove this. I want to run it only in desktop mode. So mobile, I want to only keep the mobile. So I'll remove this view. I'll save this. And tablet, I want to keep only the iPad view. I want to remove the other one. So iPhone, I want to remove. For example, you have a regression suite to run. You can run like this, and remaining test case we'll see later. Okay. So let me open package.json. This is our entire path. Okay. Let me copy this. Let me go to webdriverio const.js. Let me add one command here. The command will be of the capabilities. Let me keep enter here. suites suits colon open bracket close bracket. Okay. Now here I'll give a desktop and I'll add colon. I can give open bracket close bracket and I can give the path. Usually the path what we are running, we can give a generic path. Let's say if you want to run only these files, I can run it. But instead of responsive test, it is in desktop folder. If you see on the left hand side, it's in desktop folder. Okay. So I should write desktop and I should be able to run any of the JS file. So I'll just write star.js. To make it more good, right? Let me add comma here. That would be for mobile. Let it be for tablet. So it should have mobile. So this should have tablet. Okay. And for further things, I can add, let's say even this one I can add. Copy this. To make sure more than one test is running, I'll add in the desktop view. Okay. Let me go here. Let me remove the comma. So what is the error we have? Let me add comma here. I'm running suites. So now let us navigate to package.json, and here I can write desktop run. Okay. You have to copy the same thing at comma here. Copy the same thing in here. Paste it in this location. I have to run the suite. So I don't want to run a spec as of yet. So what I'll do, I'll remove the entire spec. I'll just write suite and desktop. Okay. Save it. Now if I run CLS, so let us now run the desktop run. So I've added the suite for the desktop. It has now started running. So it has to now first launch the iframe test. Now this has been passed. Now it should launch another test. So this is Orange HRM executing the sign-in condition for this. User should be successfully logged in and logged out. Yeah, user has successfully logged in and successfully logged out. So this is how we can run the desktop. Similarly, I can add the same thing for mobile and an iPad also. Mobile run, and also here I can specify an tablet run. Okay. And here I have to remove the comma. This will be mobile and this will be tablet. Okay. So just let me run mobile run. So it should run the entire test case in a mobile view. So we can add more test cases. For now, I've added only one test case here. So it's a mobile view. So it has logged in. Now it is successfully logged out. That's it. So it has run in a mobile view. So let me run the same thing in an iPad view. So I can just run like this, tablet, and click on enter, tablet, and it should run now in a tablet view. So only one test case we have for tablet. It is responsive test in the tablet view. So now it should now launch in tablet view. This is the tablet view. The user should be successfully logged in and should be successfully logged out. That's it. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.